What is up, my guys? What is up, my dudes? Today, yes, I said I was gonna have a lot of slime on Monday. Change of plans. My birthday passed, and I got very little slime because I only had $50, and I wanted to buy stuff besides slime, so I only bought like 2. I got my cousin one together. It's not doing so well. So why would I just? That is not very good content, if you ask me. But this is a game I have not been playing in quite a while. And I'm playing it today. So I thought this was careful. Which I've checked out. Because I was just in the furniture place. The cheapest one, and I don't have it. This is sad. What do you got? Okay. So are we gonna play Very High?
No, we're gonna play this.
Hey, what are you doing? What am I doing?
Are you on a video?
Am I on a video? Yes, I'm watching this.
What is that? What is that for?
Look what you made. Oh my gosh. I'm getting this. Purchase failed! You own too many of this item. How did I got too many of this item? I don't even.
Back up. Check.
Hey, I got it! Who erased my junk? Lightning. Your friend. Little. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You want to touch it tomorrow?
Tomorrow's Saturday. You going to school? On Saturday?
Yeah, we go on pictures on Saturday. Change it to a kid, please.
What do you mean, please? Why?
I don't play daycare or like school in your house.
Yeah, okay. I gotta get my house into a school.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I've got some school stuff. Not put some school stuff, but how will you come? So Molly can fit. So Molly can come spend a night in our house.
I'm gonna get a lunch table.
William has a chalkboard.
Teacher desk, which is $500. I'm not gonna buy it because I have $556.
Yeah, you should just use any other table that you have. Like, remember that CPR thing?
CPR.
I'm thinking about this. Yeah, I bought that for our teacher's desk. For my teacher's desk.
I don't need that.
Huh? Let me see what about. I bought this
Yeah, you
one.
told me that. Yeah. Such books. I'm gonna need lots of books soon as we be done.
Keep it black. I like the black. It doesn't matter.
I mean, I probably should get a projector screen when I get enough money to.
Oh, how much is projector screen cost again?
$750.
Yeah, I have a question. What if it can actually project something?
Yeah, what if?
Maybe.
I spent all my money on these chairs.
It's too many. There's only 2 people.
I got like 4 chairs. I'm getting it with $156.
You look broke.
Another chair, that's what I can get. Okay. Okay.
What you have to do is like.
I'll wait a while until I get my money.
Yeah. I ain't even that. What?
I'll go fishing.
Yeah. No, don't spend like you look rich. That rich.
Hey. Sure. Oh my gosh. Just... Yay. Dang it.
Well, just it. I bet it's probably harder to do it on.
How to do that on what?
Yeah, I love it when it does that. It's so funny. It's like a cheat sheet. Like the new record. What the heck?
I don't know what that meant. Come on, man. This one's so close to me and I can't even get it. Woo!
I'm gonna do my last one.
These are all so close. No. No. Oh
I'm joining your game.
no. Okay.
On your pillow.
No, I did not mean to do that.
I thought that was right, but it's
Okay. I'm done fishing. I don't need any more fish.
Go catch your snack. Go catch it. Go catch it to the stranger or catch it to someone else.
I'm looking for him. Here he is.
Your friend isn't out online. I'm coming.
Hey, I got more money.
What does it say again?
Adoption improver.
Stay where you at?
Go to the shop.
How can I teleport to you? Oh, I didn't teleport to you. Alright, you went in shop. I'm coming to shop.
Okay.
Yes. Your charger is not working. Your charger is down. Whatever it's called, cord, whatever. It's not working. It hates me.
we should try to get some people to play a school with us.
Yeah, you need your friends to come. Now I'm gonna go in the store over here with you, and hold on, pretend I'm just a normal lady coming to shop for Dove Cameron.
For Dove.
Just pretend I'm a random lady, and that's just random lady, okay?
Okay.
There you are. Hey, Crystal.
Hi.
Why did it say for?
I don't know.
Hey, now go to your house and I'll be there. Oh, I have 743 coins now. I'm not saving up on all my money. I just need to get some Halloween stuff. I have a lot of Halloween candy. I said candy. I have a lot of Halloween.
I don't have none. I have 0.
I found a beanbag chair. I think I have a beanbag chair. But I'm spending. You can actually use your candy. I'm gonna need a second one for you. Yeah. And that's what I get for my Halloween. Let's go to the living room. Basically, so far I almost have everything in here. It's just that I don't want the fireplace. The fireplace is real big. It's like as big as it's real big, and I mean so basically I'm going to get there's a lounge chair. Small lounge chair. What do you think I should get? I can get that because that's just the lounge chair. I really want it so bad. I'm spending it on my money on it. I don't care. I really wanted it. It's my choice.
Nobody's judging.
I know. Are you judging?
No.
Okay. Now, what I really right now, unless I'm gonna get a window for $300. I already got a baby crib. And I already got 2 dresses. There's a baby crib where you can just put it when you're small. I already got a training station. I got laptop desk.
Are you gonna be a teacher?
Sure.
Okay.
I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna teach you real good.
Okay.
Make you learn the tactiles. Even though you're 3. What do you think the color of my curtain should be? Blue?
I don't know.
I'm gonna put it blue because I think I'm done. I don't have 93 coins, so I think I'm done shopping. I spending more than you. I'm gonna teleport to my house. Yeah. And then
One more fish and I'm at 20. I got 20 fish.
Okay. Now you have to stay out of my house. You cannot go in your. You cannot go. You can go. You have to go shopping. Go get pizza. You can.
Hey, what you doing? I haven't changed her outfit in so long. She must be so dirty.
Basically, I'm at my house and I'm going to my house. Oh my god. I told you like a million thousand times. I'm trying to play games.
Yeah. Yeah. Look.
Boy. Did you get a bookshelf yet?
Nope.
Let's see where you read that chair.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go in my house right now. Basically, right now, I'm going. I don't like the desk chairs. That's why I got me a regular. That's why I got me
Let's go. Okay, thanks.
I didn't give me a roller chair because the roller chairs seem like kind of like that's too old. But like I do like roller chairs. Like I wish. I mean, I'm at school. Oh, you got 27 coins today. You spent a lot.
I just got 75. Now I got 102. I'm gonna go back in there.
Why? How do you get $102? You got 0 candy.
I do.
You need some candy. Why haven't you gone to
Quick or tweet.
Click on tweet.
I'm gonna get a globe.
Click on tweet.
It's gonna be a bomb school. I didn't mean that way. I'm not gonna bomb the school.
Basically, somehow, my thing is like messing with black.
It's still black?
Okay, well, I have to start all over again. Like, I just spent money. That's just the black. I'm gonna join your game again, so don't worry. I'm gonna count. No, let's go. I'm here. You're gonna see me. You're gonna see me in 3.
Alright.
You're gonna see me in 10 seconds. 10. I'll count. It's not yet, because I'm seeing it. I get half days tomorrow for school. What the heck? She. Hyper. I'm sick. Wow. I like putting Brandon in all the groups.
What are you talking about?
No, I'm just like, oh, good boy. Here, that's my other friend. These are all my friends. My mom makes me do this hard homework. She makes me mad. Boy. Oh. What was I reading? How do you need
It's not I'm gonna let it go until I get me my money. No.
So yeah, thank you.
It's my turn fast.
Bang.
Oh gosh. No.
Bang. I have a question. What about, is your computer, what's your account on your computer?
Keep a selfie.
Wait, you can make it the same thing?
Yeah?
How? Look it up.
No.
I have a question. Is the thing recording our voices? Is it?